Hi, welcome back to another Tuesday Tech Tip. Coming up in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create subtitles like these using just your iPhone for free. And don't worry if you're on Android, because there's going to be a link to a free app for you too. That's all coming up in today's Tuesday Tech Tip. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to the Clips app on your iPhone, choose that, and then up in the corner here, you've got the subtitles button, and from here you can choose the style of subtitle. So I quite like this one here with the yellow writing, so I'm going to choose that one. And then all we need to do is press the hold to record button and then start speaking. So I'm going to record my intro for this video using those subtitles. Here we go. Hi, welcome back to another Tuesday Tech Tip. Coming up in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create subtitles like these using just your iPhone for free. And don't worry if you're on Android, because there's going to be a link to a free app for you too. That's all coming up in today's Tuesday Tech Tip. Okay, so we've recorded that now and we can review it by pressing this button here. And click the play button. So as you can see, it's picking up the subtitles, but the subtitles are a little bit inaccurate. So if we choose this button here on the left, we can then edit the subtitles. So hi, welcome back to another Tuesday. So that needs to be capitals. So we can just edit like any other sort of text app. So there we go, we've edited it, so we can click apply. And if we play that through, and that's working fine there. So what we can do now is we could edit and trim the beginning and the end of the video by clicking the scissors, and then we just need to click and drag each of the bounding boxes. So we'll just trim that in a bit to there. Then we click apply. Then if we click this little down arrow here, we can choose the video, we can click the upload button there, and we can save it directly into our phone. So now it's saving it into our photos. So if we open up our photo app in our recents, and there we go. And that is ready to upload to LinkedIn. Now, if you've got an Android device, you can download and install AutoCap for free. And this works in a similar way, auto subtitling your videos. Check it out in the Google Play Store. So there you go, auto subtitle your videos for free. Not only does it make your videos more inclusive, you also get around a 16% increase in engagement with videos that have subtitles. I'll see you again next time for another Tuesday Tech Tip.